Temu app, as said and felt, is one of the best online shopping mega store, as you can get anything you can just imagine. And today we will learn how to get logged into it. So welcome back to How to Tutorials. Let's get back into the video. So to get logged into your Temu app, all you have to do is get a Temu app just like me, and then what you need to do is tap on it to open it. So in the bottom center you'll get an option of U. Tap on this U option here. Now tap on the sign in or register option here. As you do it, you'll be asked an email or a phone number. Since I had created this account through email address, I am going to enter my email address. You can also do the same as per your preference. As you kept your email address, now tap on this continue option below. So now enter your password connected to this account. When you have successfully done both of them, now tap on sign in option. So here you can see that I have successfully logged into my own account that's named as Temu. On the top left corner, tap on your profile picture here to see if it's your own profile. So that's my own profile, and this is how you get logged into your Temu account. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.